Good morning, dear students. Myself, Purushottam Pathak. Yesterday, I had explained you 1.1 of Standard 8 NCERT Maths. Today, I am going to explain you the 1.2 also. But before going to the 1.2, we need to learn about the representation of rational numbers on number lines. See how do we represent. Consider this is the number line and 0 is lying here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, these all integers are there, and so on in the both the directions it will be increasing. Now if we need to find out these integers are very clearly marked here, but if you need to find out the fractional part or the rational numbers, like represent number first, I am taking for example 2 by 3. So how to find out? The denominator is 3. So divide the one part in 3 equal parts. Consider these are the equal parts. Now this portion became, this was 0, so this became 1 by 3, this became 2 by 3, and this became 3 by 3, and clearly 3 by 3 is equal to 1. So you got the thing how to represent. So where is the 2 by 3? Of course this point. This point is 2 by 3. In this way you can represent any number. Take another example. I am trying to represent here on the same line. I am trying to represent minus 7 by 4. See, as the number is negative number, rational number, so negative rational number must be represented in the left side of the 0. Of course, you know that the right side is ascending and left side is descending. That is, the values of numbers lying in the right side are higher than the values of the numbers lying on the left side. If we move towards right, it increases. If we move towards left, the value decreases. Now, minus 7 by 4 will be represented here. How? As the denominator is 4, we will start dividing it by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Consider 4 equal parts I have divided it. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. We need to draw more. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 2 by 4. Now find out. This was minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4, minus 4 by 4, minus 4 by 4 is 1. Minus 5 by 4, minus 6 by 4, minus, yes, this point you got. This point is minus 7 by 4. In this way you can represent the various rational numbers on the number lines. Now come to the exercise 1.2. See what is being asked in the first sum. The first sum is represent these numbers on the number lines. The first one was 7 by 4. Draw the number line. And so on. As denominator is 4 and it is the positive number, positive rational number, so we will move right from the 0 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Find out. I think we have got the 7 by 4. This was 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4, or 7 by 4. This number is, this point is only 7 by 4 on the number line. Similarly, move to the negative side and do the second sum, that is minus 5 by 6. While representing for the second sum, I am explaining you only, you will do it yourself. divide this one part into 6 equal parts, and then find out the first one will be minus 1 by 6, minus, then thereafter minus 2 by 6, thereafter minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, and so on. You will find out minus 5 by 6 and mark out on the second number line by drawing that here. Now come to the second sum. In the second sum, we need to represent minus 2 by 11 minus 5 by 11 and minus 9 by 11 on the number line. How to represent them? Already I had explained you. We will draw the number line. Only I am giving you the hints, you will solve it yourself. Between 0 and minus 1 here, we will divide this part into the 11 equal parts, and each part will be considered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This will be minus 1 by 11, this will be minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11 and minus 9 by 11. Very easily you can find out. Do that. Now come to the third. In the third sum, see, 5 rational numbers are asked, which are smaller than 2. Can you imagine about, as I had explained on the number lines only, all the numbers lying in the left side of a number is, if the number lies in the left side, then the number is having a smaller value than the number lying on the right side. So all the numbers lying in the left of 2, that 2 must be shown there if we consider this number line for this sum, as we need to draw the separate line, but I am explaining you only. Here you will do it yourself. Before the 2, what are the numbers that become 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, so many numbers are there, whatever you want to add. In between also so many numbers are there. Say 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 2 by 11, all these numbers are smaller. Whatever you choose, you can go for. I can write here equal or 2 r's, right position. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. You can complete it. And 3 right up. As I have written already for stick and 5. Take care. You can take another numbers also in the O's are smaller than 2. I have taken those simple numbers. I have already explained 1 by 2, 3 by 2, all these numbers are coming coming before 2. So all the numbers coming before 2 on the number lines will be smaller than 2. Come to the next sum. That is, find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. To find out the rational numbers between two given rational numbers, I am explaining you the sum. Follow this sum carefully. So several sums are asked in the exercise, very similar to this one. We can write minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. In another form of the rational numbers also, see how. First of all, we need to take the LCM of 5 and 2. That will be 10. Now take such multiple of 10 so that you could obtain, see, this multiple of 10 should be made the denominator of these two rational numbers, and such that we can find out 10 numbers between the, as the denominators are common, between the numerators. See how I am explaining you the process, it will be clarified to you. The multiple of 10. You can take any multiple for convenient. 2 will also complete the sum. We can take 3 also, equal to 30. Now, minus 2 by 5 equal to, if it is denominator is being made 30, then as 5 6 are 30, minus 2 6 are minus 12, and 1 by 2 can be written as, if we change the denominator to 30, 2 15s are 30, 2 15s are 30, so 1 15s are 50. Now what do we need to find? Hence, and 5 rational numbers between minus 12 by 30 and 15 by 30 are. As I am not getting the sufficient space here, let me write at the top what would be those numbers. Greater than minus 12 by 30 and smaller than 15 by 30. Take minus 11 by 30, minus 10 by 30, minus 9 by 30, so on. I have given you such option that you can find out more than 10 numbers in between these two numbers. Now finally you will write, hence five rational numbers between, I am going to rub the lower portion now if you have completed it so far. Up to here I have explained now. Now I am going to rub the initial portions. See, take care. It's 5 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 are. Write up all those numbers, or whatever the numbers are required, only 5 numbers are required, you will write 5 numbers, so on, complete it yourself. Come to the next sum, that is fifth sum. In the 5 number sum also, we need to find the 5 rational numbers between the given 2 rational numbers. See how we will find out. Similarly, as I have explained it in this sum, 5 first, 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. We need to find out 5 rational numbers. Once again the same process I am explaining you. the LCM of 3 and 5 equal to 15. Now as 5 multiples are asked and both the numbers are positive, 5 numbers are asked in between both the numbers and both are positive, the best way or the convenient way is the multiple of 15 5 numbers are asked, multiply by 5. 15 into 5 equal to 75. You will get more than 5 numbers. Now 2 by 3 equal to 75. 3 25s are, so 2 25s are 50. And 4 by 5 equal to, denominator will be 75. 5 15s are 75, so 4 15s are 60. Now very easily you can find out, and 5 rational numbers between 50 by 75 and 60 by 75. You can get very easily these numbers: 51 by 75, 52 by 75, 53 by 75, 54 by 75 and so on. Complete the sum yourself. Very similarly you will complete third sum and second and third of 5 number also. Once again, in the 6 number sum, 5 rational numbers greater than -2 has been asked. If you remind the 3 number sum, there also we were asked to find out the numbers. Similarly, we will find out, if you remind about the number line, that is the most convenient way. Greater than yes, -2, -1, -2. Now all the numbers lying after -2 in the right side, those are, so you can choose any of the numbers, 5 rational numbers greater than -2. It starts from here, do it yourself. Come to the 7 number last sum. That is also 10 rational numbers. Numbers between 3 by 5 and 7 by, it is not 7 by, and 3 by 4. I think after taking the LCM, you can very easily find out what should be the numerators so that we can get 10 rational numbers, or multiply the denominator by any of the such numbers so that you could get 10 rational numbers between those numerators. As I have explained you in the previous 2 sums, try to do the sum yourself. I don't think that you will get it difficult. Carry on the exercise. Now in the next class I will also explain you the linear equation in one variable, that is chapter 2 of standard 8. Thank you very much.